So guys, I got the Smooth Q 3-axis gimbal for smartphones and GoPro, and let me tell you, this thing looks amazing from the videos I've watched, so I expect a lot from it. So here's the side. Zhiyun Smooth Q, back to stabilizer. That's the thing, so it comes with. Oh, plus that part. So start opening it. Just open this thing up. So when you open it, this is what you see. That's how it looks inside. So this looks like the gimbal on the case. Here's inside. There's the strap for the case I'm about to show you, and the charging cable. Not an instruction manual, but leave that for later. So it's actually kind of nice fitting wrapping right there. This is how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and put the strap on right now. So I got the strap on the bag, on the case it comes with. It's actually a pretty long strap for you to carry around. The case is like a, how do I say this? I don't know. It's a nice material. Zhiyuntech.com. Bottom of the case, top. It looks like metal, or kind of like a plastic, but it's not. Let's open this up right here. So this is opening it right now. That's how it looks. Okay. Here's the gimbal right off the box. This is the Zhiyun Smooth Q right out of the case right there, and it's pretty nice size. It's actually really light. Got a little bit of weight to it. It's a really nice gimbal. This is where you charge it. I think it's a micro USB. I'm not sure. You have the joystick right here to control pan and tilt. Here are the buttons, the mode button on top and the power button on the bottom. You can actually use it to take video or photo, but you have to connect it to the app. This is a tripod mount, and this is a USB plug, so you can charge your device while you're using the gimbal. The gimbal itself can last up to 12 hours. 12 hours of battery life. That's really, really nice, which means I don't have to charge it often, because I doubt I'll be using it hours at a time, unless I'm in a really good mood or something. That's how it looks. How do I put this back in? Like this? Yeah, there you go. Close it up. There you go, that's the Zhiyun Smooth Q. So I want to see how it looks when it's actually on my shoulder or on a person. This is how the Zhiyun Smooth Q looks in its protective case on a person. It's actually, it doesn't look too bad, it's not too outstanding. This is a huge plus if you're carrying around gear. You can just strap this on your shoulder if there's not enough space in your pack, for example. So this is a really big plus. Come in handy. I'm gonna do a comparison test footage of the GoPro by itself and the GoPro with the gimbal on. I'm using the GoPro Hero 5 Black. I'm gonna keep stabilization off because I don't want to change up my features. So yeah, I'm gonna use the gimbal and then use it without the gimbal. I'm gonna go walking steadily and walking just normal. Let's go. This is me walking normal. It's pretty shaky. This is with image stabilization on the GoPro Hero 5. This is me just walking normal, like not trying to keep it steady. Just walking normal. This is me keeping the GoPro steady, trying to keep it stabilized without the gimbal on. trying my best to keep it steady. There's my doggo. So this is with the Smooth Q gimbal, just walking normally, not trying to keep it steady. Just walking normally with the Smooth Q gimbal. I feel like it's doing a pretty good job with me just walking normal. This is me walking steady with the Smooth Q gimbal. I feel like it's doing a pretty good job of keeping it. Sorry, that's my dog. I feel like it's doing a pretty good job of keeping it stable and steady. The Smooth Q is actually a really good gimbal for the price. $100, you can't beat that, especially for a 3-axis gimbal, smartphone gimbal. It does really good job. But one thing I need to tell you is that you have to balance out this part first before you turn on the gimbal, because it'll start making weird noises and it'll ruin the motors. To me, the Zhiyun Smooth Q 3-axis gimbal is a really good gimbal for its price. No one can beat $100 for a 3-axis gimbal. Has a really nice sleek design. It's lightweight, it's portable, it can work with tripods, has really nice stabilization.